Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you just one more tip that would help you in PTE exam and in your preparation. And today I want to talk about scoring. As you know, in the PTE test there are 4 different parts, and all those parts come with a variety of different questions. So in general, in the PTE test that goes for around 3 hours, there are lots of different questions, and they are all scored differently, meaning that you're getting different amount of marks from each question. And some questions are timed individually, while others are timed as a group, for example in the listening part. So knowing which questions are higher scoring and dedicating more time during exam on those questions while moving quicker through other questions, because there are some questions that are worth maybe only 1 mark, but you have to go through a lot of stages to finish that question. Like you have to read the question, you have to read the options, and then you have to skim the test and find the answer. So it can be really time consuming for just 1 point. And some questions, they have a negative marking, the ones where you have to select multiple answers. And also it's important to know the scoring criteria while you are preparing, because not all of us have hours every day to put into our preparation, or some people just need to go and do an exam quickly and they have maybe just a few days or a week to prepare. So it's also important to know which questions to focus on while preparing, and where to really dedicate the most of your time and the most of your attention, so you can do well in those questions, because there are questions that are worth 1 mark and there are questions that are worth 15 marks just from 1 question. So see the difference. If you lose that 1 mark, it really doesn't matter. You should focus on those questions that are worth 15, 10 and that amount of marks. So yeah, I think this is a very important tip, and it helped me a lot when I started to focusing on those questions, and it helped me in my test, and I hope it will help you in your preparation as well as in the test. And of course you would probably ask how you can find that information. I'm not sure if it's available online, but I just finished a new ebook that is all about the scoring. I put every question describing how many marks you can get from each question in each part, and that way you can see which questions are worth more and which aren't worth spending time on. And also you will see which questions have negative scoring, and it's all about the scoring and about the scoring criteria. So if you are interested in getting this book, then shoot me an email and I will tell you how you can get it. I'll write my email in the description box below, and I hope that this really helps. It helped for me. So that's it for today. If you find it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Have a nice day.